Hi guys, this is Elfmo J5 Christmas Tree Toppers. For supplies, you'll need green crepe paper, wooden skewers, scissors, glue, and a ruler. I cut wooden skewers at about 4.5 inches. Cut 2.5 inch wide strips of green crepe paper. Fold it a couple of times and cut slits about 1/2 inch from the top. Cut the crepe paper into 10-inch strips, then add glue to the top edge. About 1/3 down, wrap the skewer with crepe paper while going at a slight angle. Twist it when you reach the top. Spin the tree to open up the fringe. Make more and add it to your dessert. And this was my attempt at making a cake. It is flammable, so don't light candles near them. And your Christmas tree toppers are done.